Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Mojack Pro is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about products in the market right now, and for good reason. It promises to revolutionize how we approach, mention product category or function, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-centric design that aims to simplify complex tasks and elevate everyday experiences. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for an upgrade or a curious newcomer eager to explore the latest innovations, the Mojack Pro is designed to impress and perform, setting a new benchmark for what we can expect from product category. Number 5. Jackery Explorer 300 Portable Power Station. Get back to full power in no time. It can recharge to 80% in just 2 hours when using both the wall outlet and the 60W USB-C port simultaneously. You can also recharge it at home, in the car, or with a solar panel. Enjoy peace of mind with its 293Wh lithium-ion battery and 2 pure sine wave AC outlets. It delivers a stable and safe 300W of power, making it reliable for all your outdoor adventures. This portable power station is a camping essential. It can charge itself and power up to 6 devices at once, including your drone, MacBook, and cameras, through its various ports. Harness the power of the sun with its compatibility with the Jackery Solar Saga 100 solar panel. The built-in MPPT controller maximizes solar recharging speed, making it perfect for camping and road trips. Your purchase includes the portable power station, an AC adapter, a car charger cable, and a user guide. Please note that the solar panel is sold separately. What we like. Need to power multiple devices on the go. This portable power station offers fast recharging and can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs reliable power for camping or travel, this is a great choice. What people say. It's compact, easy to use, and powerful enough to keep phones, lights, and small essentials running without any noise or fuss. I found the Jackery power station to be very useful, easy to use and easy to charge with the Jackery Solar Saga 100W solar panel, AC charger, or the carport. The AC inverter is now 300 watts, pure sine wave. The 13.3 volt regulated car port output has a nice cover and the USB output has 60W USB-C, QC 3.0 USB-A, USB type of port, 2.4a. Number 4. E-HEELP Electric Car Jack Kit 5-ton 12V. Introducing the E-HEELP Electric Car Jack Kit. This powerful hydraulic jack can lift up to 5 tons in under 2 minutes, making vehicle lifting quick and easy for sedans, SUVs, and trucks. It's designed for universal application, powered by your car's 12V socket or cigarette lighter. This versatile tool works with almost any vehicle, from sedans to trucks, and even motorcycles. Never worry about flat tires again. This jack features a built-in tire inflator with a pressure display, simplifying emergency tire changes. Perfect for your garage, road trips, or unexpected roadside emergencies. Its waterproof design and LED lights ensure usability in any weather or lighting condition. Your safety is paramount. This jack includes overload protection that automatically stops lifting if the maximum weight is exceeded, and its design enhances stability during use. What we like. Struggling with tire changes? This electric car jack kit provides powerful hydraulic lifting and includes a tire inflator with a pressure display. If you're looking for a convenient and safe solution for roadside emergencies or home garage repairs, this is the one for you. What people say. It charges quickly and is very effective and easy to use. This jack is plenty powerful and it lifted up my wife's heavy SUV, but it reached its highest capacity without getting the ground. It also doubles as an air pump and includes a lug wrench. The lift is strong and this tool is valuable for those who value speed and convenience when changing tires. It lifts my car easily for tire and oil changes. It comes with a light and inflator, and fits easily in the trunk. Number 3. Mojack Easy Max 45001 Riding Mower Lift. Introducing the Mojack Easy Max 45001. It provides a dependable way to elevate your ZTR mower or lawn tractor, giving you safe access for maintenance. Lifting is made easier as it operates manually or with a power drill. Its compact folding design also saves valuable storage space when not in use. This lift is engineered for stability and ease of use. It helps reduce the risks associated with makeshift lifting methods, ensuring your safety. Perform tasks like blade sharpening, replacement, belt service, and deck cleaning at home. Avoid scheduling costly dealer visits and save money. It fits most residential tractors and zero-turn mowers. With a 24-inch lift height and a 450 pounds front lifting capacity, it's ready for your equipment. What we like. Want to easily maintain your lawn mower at home? This residential riding lawn mower lift offers flexible manual or power drill operation and a space-saving folding design. If you own a zero-turn or riding mower and want to save on service costs by performing maintenance yourself, consider this option. What people say. This makes the maintenance task so much easier and safer. It feels solid and well built, and the 450 pounds lifting capacity is more than sufficient for a typical residential riding mower. The folding design is also a plus. When not in use, it stores flat and doesn't take up much space in the garage. Number 2. Ailaka Gel Height Increase Insoles. Introducing Ailaka Gel Height Increase Insoles. Experience a comfortable lift and enhanced height with every step you take. Designed with advanced gel technology, these insoles provide superior shock absorption. They cushion your heels, reducing impact and fatigue. Effortlessly increase your height discreetly. These inserts fit seamlessly into your favorite shoes, providing a natural lift. Perfect for both men and women, these versatile insoles offer a personalized fit. Enjoy added height and comfort no matter your footwear. Feel the difference with our shock-absorbing heel cushion pads. They transform your regular shoes into ultra-comfortable, height-enhancing footwear. Choose Ailaka for a simple yet effective way to gain confidence and comfort. Elevate your everyday experience with these innovative shoe inserts. What we like. Looking for a little extra height and comfort? These gel insoles offer shock absorption and heel cushioning to provide a lift. If you're seeking to improve comfort in your shoes or gain a subtle height boost, these are a simple and effective solution. What people say. It's super comfortable. It forces you to stand better straight up, no more feeling like you're slouching. It makes you about a full inch or two taller. Trust me, you do feel a lot taller. Well made and comfortable. These gel insoles are really comfortable and effective. They give a noticeable height boost without feeling awkward or unstable, and the gel cushioning makes walking or standing much more comfortable. They absorb shock well, which helps reduce foot fatigue over time. Number 1. Goplus 500 pounds hydraulic mower lift. This lift is built with sturdy, heavy-duty steel, capable of supporting up to 500 pounds. You can confidently perform maintenance without worrying about the weight. Easily raise your mower up to 24 inches with a smooth hydraulic system. The adjustable height settings allow you to find the perfect position for any task. Designed with your safety in mind, it includes tire cradles to prevent skidding and locking brakes to ensure stability during repairs. With adjustable track width, this lift is versatile enough to accommodate most mowers, from garden tractors to ATVs. Assembly is straightforward thanks to detailed instructions. It's also foldable and equipped with wheels for easy movement and storage. What we like. Need to lift your mower for maintenance? This heavy-duty lawn mower lift features a hydraulic jack for easy operation and an adjustable track width to fit various mowers. If you're a homeowner with a riding tractor or zero-turn mower and need a stable and adjustable lift for deck cleaning or blade service, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It handles my tractor easily and is easy to move around since it's on wheels. It feels sturdy with its solid pieces of steel and 3-piece construction. What I like about it is that it folds flat and it's easy to store right against the wall, taking minimal space. This worked awesome for my riding zero-turn lawnmower. I was able to service it and felt safe using it. Plus it stores well in my garage. My tractor weighs 1,150 pounds with the deck on, and this jack has no problem lifting the front end. This will make maintenance a lot easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.